To surprise your loved ones with sweet incredible candy cake, you will need 1 foam dummy round cake for crafts, double-sided tape, your favorite candy, and your imagination. Apply double-sided tape around and across the foam cake. Place the gift box on top and have fun decorating the cake with your favorite candy. Here is an easy and fun way to present a gift to your loved ones for upcoming special occasion. Do you like an idea? Leave me a comment. Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.